Hello, hello, Ethan. We've managed to sucker you on camera today because you know what? I gotta know more about this cell that's behind here. I heard a rumor that it is so easy to use.
Yes,
and we have audience out there right now that's still questioning if automation is for them. And some of those questions come from the flexibility, ease of use. They come from, what if I want to put it on more than one machine? It comes from, I'm scared to program and don't know how to program a robot. I'm used to removing material off of a part on a machine, and that's how we work. We're going to go over those topics today, aren't we? Let's start with ease of use.
Yeah, so our customers, a lot of them, they know CNC, they know Hurco machines, they don't want to learn how to program a robot. So that's where our system's great. Everything is right here on the Hurco control. We call it the Automation Job Manager. It's an auxiliary application, so the customer never has to touch the robot program, the teach pin. It's all right here. You set your parts, set your part dimensions, set your part weight, and all those calculations are done for you. You just have to set up the part, 5 minutes, and you're running.
Ethan,
it's that simple.
It sounds too good to be true, and I'm one of those skeptics that are out there and go, when I hear something that's too good to be true, it can't be true, but it is. How can you do this without programming the robot? How does that actually work?
Well, we did all of this work beforehand, so the customer does not have to do all that.
Wow.
So it's all just run in the WinMax. We have the robot programs in the robot already, so they're all pre-cut programs, and we can modify that to the machine just based on the dimensions. So all those calculations are done for you.
That's impressive.
It's that simple. You know, everyone says no robot programming, but ours is for real. There is no robot programming needed.
All right, next question for you, because you've already told me that my thought of too good to be true, it's actually true.
It is true.
So let me make this more difficult for you. I've just invested in this machine. I've been running these parts for years. All of a sudden I get a call and they say, look, we don't have any more jobs coming for the next 6 months. And now my job, my robot, my cell I created doesn't have any work. Can I move it to another machine?
Absolutely. That's the great thing about this. Actually, in October, we were at a show. We were showing the process of moving it from a mill to a lathe and back, and we were doing it in about 4 to 5 minutes.
What?
It's so easy because you only have one plug in the back of the machine. You unplug it, you have caster wheels here, so you can roll it across the floor to that next machine. Then you move it. As long as you have an auto door on that second machine, you move it over, plug it in, takes a couple minutes, then you set up your new part. And like I said, that 5-minute setup process, you do that in the next machine and you're running. It's that simple.
Impressive, impressive. Last question I have for you, but probably a doozy. Are you ready for a doozy of a question?
Sure, of course.
I'm one of those machinists that love to push the limits. I have been known to occasionally do something more than I should and maybe smack something around.
Yeah, sure.
If I do something incorrect here, how quickly can I get it fixed? Who do I go through? Do I got to go through a third party? What kind of difficulties come with downtime? Because you know how stressful downtime can be.
Yeah, of course. And our customers, they love the Hurco service. They love the culture that Hurco promotes, and we're always there to support you. So the great thing about ProCobots, we're part of Hurco. We're under the same roof. So if you have a problem with your machine, with your robot, you want to do something new, and you just need a little bit of extra help, you're going to the same place, Hurco and ProCobots. You give us a call, you call your distributor, Merrifield in this case, and we'll help you out. There's no per hour charge for phone support. We have your back. We guarantee your success here.
Ethan, I'm going to close this thing out, but something I noticed that I like a lot is you're wearing a Hurco shirt right now. And you said ProCobots, and when you said ProCobots, you said we. You didn't say they. You said as a part of you and as a part of we and Hurco, you are a team and a family. For everyone who's watching right now, I hope this has been helpful. If you want to know more, reach out to Ethan anytime. He loves getting difficult questions that he can help solve. He's a problem solver. So Ethan, thank you so much for your time.
Thanks so much.
I appreciate you. Thank you all for watching. We'll see you again soon.